world feels. You've come so far, don't forget your fight. You've walked through shadows and found your light. Look in the mirror, what do you see? Someone rising, finally free. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady and clear. It's choosing you year after year. It's that fire you hold even when it's tough. It's knowing deep down you are enough. Don't dim that spark inside. You've got nothing left to hide. Every step, every breath, you're claiming all that's left. This is what